Welcome to GCCars. My name is Eric, and today we're going to take a POV test drive in this 2021 Ford Mustang GT convertible with the California Special package. Yeah, you see all the stats on your right hand side. It's a manual V8, 460 horsepower, 420 pound-feet of torque. This is going to be plenty of fun, but as always, I do have a full-on review about this Mustang GT. In the top right-hand corner, we talk about exterior, interior, how it handles, if it's fun. You know it's fun. And if it's worth the money. And yeah, I think without further ado, let's go hop on in and drive. Unlock her. I'm gonna keep the top down. I have the microphone in a different position, and we'll see how that works out today. Okay, first I put the ignition on. I love the Ford chimes. I think they're some of the best in the industry. They're just very pleasant. But I want to switch into my mode. It's going to change the gauge cluster. And I think buckle up and start her up. Cable out of the way there. I want to be stuck. Okay. She comes to life, the Coyote 5-liter V8. So we have a twisty road here. Actually, based on a recommendation of another journalist, I've discovered this one, and I've driven a couple times now. We're not gonna go full out because, well, there's speed limits, for example. But we will have a little bit of fun. Get the engine to, you know, roar a little. Just have a good time. Oh, for everybody who's wondering, maybe lives in the area, this is Hockley Road, near Mono. So have fun. I hope the audio is good. I have no clue. I've done what I can. But yeah, we can also just enjoy the changing landscape, well, the changing trees as we're creeping towards fall. And some of the leaves are turning, as you can maybe see up there. You start seeing some orange there, a few more trees turning orange. And yeah, it's a nice drive anyway. It's a good looking area here. I'm using way lower gears than I normally would, just so we can hear it a little. Because like I said, we can't fully ring it out here, obviously. But like I said, just a fun little drive. What you would want to do when you have a Mustang GT convertible, just enjoy the drive. I'll turn off the heated seats. I think it's fine this way. I also have the automatic rev matching on. I'm not going to do it manually here for this video, so if I downshift, I don't have to do anything. Oh, she sounds so good though. So good. Wow. God, I love it. I love it. We'll get to hear that a couple more times today. And a bunch of times in the review, I can tell you that. I know how the AMG review went. And this one is not going to be much different because simply the AMG sounded nice, but this is another level. Naturally aspirated 5-liter V8. So good. I just noticed I might be talking way too quietly for you guys. I don't know. I'll just do the car. I'll just let the car do the talking for most of the time, okay? Just enjoy. I'll chime in very occasionally in the end. I just noticed we're not a track exhaust. Why is that? My mode is a track exhaust. Aye, aye, aye. Exhaust mode, track. Thank you. We're definitely on a track. I know. You can hear it in a second. No wonder it was so quiet. Yes, it can be louder, as I shall demonstrate in a second here. The road is going to be a little more twisty towards the end, by the way, just so you know. But yeah, you can just enjoy the drive here, even if you don't want to be sporty or drive it dynamically, let's say it like that. Let the engine do the braking for us because it sounds better. So good. So good. Not gonna do from 0, but from like... And here we are coming towards the end of this drive. Technically this road goes a little further, but it's all through Hockley here. Tiny little cute town. And it's all 50 kilometers our speed limit, so with houses next by, so I'm not gonna bother here. I'm just gonna stop right next to the Hockley General Store. I think this looks so cute, by the way. Like this whole town. Let's park her somewhere here. Where can we park? Just up here left. Should be fine somewhere. That is a drive on a somewhat twisty road, very twisty for Ontario standards, road in the Mustang GT California Special. Really, really like this car. This is my third day with it. My third day, and it's been a pleasure. It's been such a pleasure. Of course, like I said, we do have a full review. I do want to take another look at these taillights we have. Yeah, taillights. Because we got the Mustang indicators, right? And I don't know if you can hear it, but that's the idle. Anyhow, guys, thank you so much for watching. I hope you liked it. If you liked it, like I said, we have a full review. It will be somewhere on your screen, as well as a video that YouTube selects for you based on your viewing habits. And if you really liked it, make sure to subscribe and hit the bell so you don't miss any more videos, because we upload new reviews every Friday at 11 a.m. Eastern Time. Thank you so much for watching. I hope I'll see you in the next one. Thank you, and goodbye.